Hey guys, today we're unboxing a new cooler. It's Cooler Master Hyper 212 RGB Black Edition with RGB fan. The box is quite heavy and nice. Oh. Okay, let's see what's inside. Oops. Let's see. On the top we have a box with a lot of brackets and cables and more brackets, nuts and whatnot. Okay, nice. And then we have some more. Nothing else inside. User manual, and here's the cooler. Let's take it out. Nice. The whole thing is black, and this is the place where you mount it on your CPU like this. Here's the RGB fan and a couple of wonk cables. I guess this is the RGB control and this is just the power. Okay. Yep, it's quite nice. The whole thing is black. So if you have a black themed case and build, this is a very good addition to it. See, I guess you can mount another fan if you need. So if you have a more power hungry CPU, you can add another fan to help with cooling like this. Okay, let's just put it like this. Thank you very much guys for watching. Bye.